Hello and welcome. Let's dive right into our tracker course and cover all the essentials. So what are we going to address today? One of the most fundamental questions that beginners often ask: how can I set up a connection with an affiliate program and integrate it with traffic source? In our case, we will use the Clickadilla so that I can see all the statistics in Keitaro. The user phrased the questions like this. Generally, I want to consolidate everything in the tracker to view the statistics. So what steps do we need to take? Let's break down the process step by step to ensure a smooth setup. So first of all, step 1. Start with affiliate program. Since we want to promote affiliate offers, we need to begin there. Step 2. Add the offers to the tracker, create a campaign, and set up the necessary filters. And finally, step 3. Go to the traffic source and launch the campaign from there. So we'll go through each of these steps together. I'll demonstrate the entire process, helping you identify where you might encounter difficulties and determine whom to contact, whether it's the affiliate program, the tracker support team, or the traffic source. By the end, you'll have a clear workflow for each step. In this demonstration, I'll be using Clickadilla as the traffic source and the Everade affiliate program as the example. So here, I've already opened the Everade affiliate program. So let's start by selecting the offers. So once you registered with an affiliate program, the manager will unlock the offers you want to promote. So in my case, let's see what kind of offers do we have. So we go to the offers section and check mine. I have one offer, and this is Oculux. So the platform will prompt us to create a flow for these offers, which generates the link that will be used in the tracker. Okay, to create a flow, create a campaign. It's going to be Academy test 1. Then we have to choose the geographical targeting. For example, I will be using the Poland. So the language will be changed automatically. And finally, for the traffic source, let's choose push. All right, so let's go further. The landings and transit pages. In tracker terminology, a landing page, the affiliate programs offer, is known as an offer. The transit page, this one, and the affiliate program is equivalent to what the tracker calls a landing page. Keep this in mind as we proceed. So what's next? Configuring and downloading offers. So to set up, we have to select to use the landings and download it. So the landing or offer for our tracker. There's going to be this one main Poland. I will choose this one. And as a transit pages or landing page for our tracker, I will use the medical health article. For this setup, domain's choice is not critical, as we'll be hosting everything within the tracker's domain. So we can leave this field empty, and this one as well. So let's save our campaign first. All right. As we have successfully saved our campaign, so let's get back for editing. So we press on this. So now we have to download our landing page and our offer. So just a quick note that there are two ways to configure landings, offer, and campaigns. You can either upload files locally to the tracker or use redirects. So I'll demonstrate the local option, as it's generally preferred to avoid extra redirects and improve loading speed. Download the files and carefully read any warnings. As we have selected our landings and offers before, so now we just have to download it. Once downloaded, select PHP format to avoid potential HTML capabilities issues. This approach saves time if you encounter script compatibility problems later on. So please select PHP and just download the file, right? And the same with the transit pages. Okay, after clicking to download the PHP, so we have an additional warning here. So enter link to landing. You can leave the field blank, but then you will need to edit the links to landing manually. So to link from the landing page to the offer, use the macro offer instead of a direct link. So just simply add this macro in the design field like this. So we just add in the macro offer and just download the file, which already includes the transition link from the landing page to the offer. This means that we don't have to do anything manually after. Then we have to press save the campaign. And that's it. By following these steps, everything is consolidated in Keitaro with no need for external links. We've configured almost everything in the affiliate program, except for one key element, the Postback setup. To maintain order, let's set up the campaign in the tracker first, and then return to the affiliate program to complete the Postback configuration. Open the tracker dashboard and navigate to campaigns. And now we have to create a new campaign, so we press the button Create. And press the button Create. Now we have to create the flow and select the scheme as landings and offers. So we go to the scheme and we have to choose landings and offers. Then we have to create a landing page. Since we don't have one yet, we have to upload the local file we previously downloaded as the landing page. So we press Create the landing page. Let's choose our file. Okay, so we're choosing landing Oculax and open it. Great. Then upload and save. Then we have to download the offer. Let's create the offer. And we have to download the files locally. So we choose the file, offer Oculax, upload and save. And press the button Apply. And then press the button Save. The next step, configuring links and macros. As a part of the campaign setup, we have to ensure that the transition from the landing page to the offer is correct. So when uploading, we specify the macro offer instead of a direct link. This allows all buttons on the landing page to be configured automatically, which is a huge time saver. So how can we check it? So let's copy the campaign link and test it. All right, so we can see our article medical health, and by pressing any button it should lead us to our offer. So let's test. All right, here we go. So we can see our Oculax offer, so everything works correctly. Great. Next step, the Postback setup. So now that the campaign is live, and we need to configure the Postback URL for accurate conversion tracking. So we have to add the global Postback links from the tracker to our affiliate program. So in order to do this, we have to go to the affiliate network section and press the button Create. And we have to choose from the template the one affiliate program that we are using. In our case, it is Everate. So let's find the Everate and press the button Create. So here you go. This is our Postback URL that we have to add in our affiliate program. So let's copy the link and let's get back to our affiliate program. So this is our campaign, and we can see this is the global Postback button. So just by pressing this button, yes, here is the two fields where we have to add this link. So we're adding the link here and over there, and press the button Save. So this link includes all necessary parameters. Everett is pre-configured for easy sub-ID tracking, so no additional code adjustments are necessary. Everything should work automatically. So now we have to verify conversion tracking. So let's go to our tracker back again and go to the campaign. All right, so we have copied our campaign link. Let's go from the landing page to our offer. Okay. And now we have to check if our Postback link works correctly. So what we have to do is to add all the information and add the number. All right, now we have the page that we have leave the application to buy the Oculax, and all this information should be seen in our tracker. Now we have to check the tracker's logs. So let's go to the maintenance, logs, and Postback, received Postback. All right, you can see, so this is our Postback that we have successfully received. It means that everything works correctly. All right, so let's recap what we have accomplished so far. So first of all, affiliate program setup. So we accessed the affiliate program, downloaded the offers, and added them to the campaign in the tracker. Next thing, conversion test. Using the tracker campaign link, we successfully generated a text conversion and verified that the correct postback was sent to the tracker. So why did everything work smoothly? First, because we correctly set up the flow in the affiliate program over there. Yes, and the second, we properly created it and configured the campaign in the tracker. So everything that we have done over there. So this is our campaign. So now let's review the campaign. The transition from the landing page to the offer was correctly set up. And the next thing, we specify the correct postback URL in the tracker settings, which is essential for tracker conversion. One more time, this thing is very essential. So this is how the postback actually works. So the postback URL is necessary to add. So to verify this, we can check the tracker. So we can go to the tracker and our campaign section. So we go to the campaign that we have created before, press over there and see the conversions. Right there, we can see that this is our conversion and the postback that we have successfully received. Here you'll record the conversion, which was tracked because we configured everything properly in the tracker and used the postback URL. However, this is just two pieces of the 3-part setup. The final step is to integrate with the traffic source. We need to replace the tracker campaign link and the source to start directing traffic to the campaign. So now let's move on to Clicadilla and configure the source settings. Please go through the registration if you haven't already and log into your account. So, like trackers, traffic sources have unique requirements, but the general process is consistent. You have to create a campaign and use the tracker campaign link as the destination link, rather than a direct affiliate link. This allows the tracker to handle traffic processing and record statistics while keeping your campaign's performance data centralized. So let's check a quick guide of creating the campaign in Clicadilla. So first of all, navigate to create a campaign. While setting up the campaign, we can choose any ad formats, but I will choose the web push, for example. Then we have to create the campaign name. Let's do the OCLAX test. In case you have any campaign group, you can add it over there. So pricing models. Choose the preferred pricing models. The cost per click or cost per action. Please don't forget to push on the active button, and you will be led to the documentation of the website and you can see more detailed information about each section, in this case the pricing model. Great. After choosing the desired pricing models, you can choose the conversion type. And finally, we are at the ad selection. So what we have to do is to add our creatives. So we have to add a title, message, and a banner image for the push notification. So we put the name for it. And the most important thing, this is the place to put the Keitaro tracker campaign link. So the common URL. So you go to your campaign and copy the campaign link over there and just insert right here. Great. So well done. So there are more things to add over this section. So there are things like tokens. There is a parameters that are inserted in the URL to be transmitted to the tracker in the future. All right. So the title of your creative, the body, you can adjust the button settings, the graphic creatives to upload it. Select a platform. Is it going to be the Mac, Android, or Windows? Or you can also add more creatives, all right. And just don't forget to press save. And you can just press the create campaign button. So after clicking the create, and your campaign will appear in the list. So depending on the traffic source, your campaign may require moderation before it goes live. So as soon as your campaign is going to be approved, you can go to the main page of the Clicadilla, the campaign section, and you will see one active campaign in this section over there. Great. So summary and wrap up. So in this session, we covered how to integrate an affiliate program, tracker, and traffic source into a cohesive advertising setup. Here is a quick recap. So first, register with the affiliate program, create a flow, select offers, and download the necessary files. The second step, set up the campaign in the tracker, configure landings, offers, and postback URLs. The third step, register with the traffic source, create a campaign, and use the tracker campaign link as the URL. So while we've used Keitaro and Clicadilla as examples, the general setup process applies to similar tools. If you have your own offers or different website assets, the structure may vary slightly, but the core steps remain the same. This video provides a roadmap so you know whom to contact at each stage if you encounter issues. Thank you for watching, and we'll move on to the next topic in the upcoming video.